In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add mobile number to Steam account. Start by logging in to Steam on your desktop or web browser. Once you are in, look to the top right corner and click your profile name to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose Account Details. This takes you to your main account management page where Steam keeps all your personal and security information in one place. On the Account Details page, scroll until you see the Contact Info section. Here, you'll find the option to add your number. If you haven't linked one before, click Add a phone number. If a number is already linked, you'll see Manage your phone number instead, which means you can edit or update it from there. When the phone number form opens, select your country from the drop-down so the correct country code appears automatically. Then type your mobile number carefully. Avoid spaces or extra characters unless Steam specifically allows them. If your phone number typically starts with a leading 0, enter it exactly as your carrier expects after the country code. Double-check for typos. Accuracy here ensures you receive the verification messages without delay. Next, check the inbox for the email tied to your Steam account. Steam will send a confirmation message asking you to authorize adding the number. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, then look in your spam or promotions folder. Open the email and click the authorization link to confirm that you want this number added to your account. Return to the Steam page and click Next. Steam will now send a text message with a short verification code to the mobile number you entered. When the SMS arrives, type the code into the field exactly as shown if the message takes a moment. That's normal, network delays can happen. Don't share this code with anyone, and if the timer runs out or you made a mistake entering your number, request a new code and try again. Once verified, you are all set. You should see your phone listed in contact info, usually partially hidden for privacy. Keep your number up to date, and if you ever switch phones or carriers, return to manage your phone number to update it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.